In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use custom fonts in Google Docs. If you're looking to give your documents a personal touch or just want more creative options for your text, customizing your font selection can make a huge difference. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open up Google Docs, head over to docs.google.com and go ahead and open any document you wish to edit. Once you're in, take a look at the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll notice a drop-down menu displaying the current font name you're using. Give that a click. Now, you're probably familiar with the few standard fonts that appear there, but here's the exciting part. We're going to access even more fonts. To do this, at the top of that font list, click on More Fonts. Doing so will open up a dialog box that reveals a treasure trove of font options. Literally hundreds of them. This is where the magic happens. In this font dialog box, you have a couple of tools at your disposal. If you know the name of a specific font you'd like to use, there's a search box where you can type it in. Alternatively, you can explore by filtering fonts, whether you're looking for a specific script, category, or you want to see what's trending in popularity. These options are there to help you narrow things down and find what's perfect for your document. After you've browsed through the fonts, selecting them is simple. Click on any font that catches your eye to add it to your My Fonts list. Customize this list to suit your preferences, keeping fonts that you'll easily come back to in future editing. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click the OK button. By doing this, the fonts you selected will now be integrated into the drop-down list of fonts in your document's toolbar. This means that anytime you want to switch up your document's appearance, all you have to do is highlight the text you wish to change and then select one of your newly added fonts. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've expanded your Google Docs font repertoire. Not only do your documents have more flair now, but you also have the creative freedom to express yourself more vividly through your text. Whether you're working on a creative project, a professional document, or just giving your notes a visual boost, these custom fonts will help convey your tone and style perfectly. Thanks for tuning in and happy typing!